Hello guys, how to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. You can easily recover deleted text messages from your iPhone. Here are the process. To do so, first go to Message app on your system. On your iPhone, tap on Message app and here first go to filter from the top left corner and here and tap on recently deleted and here recently deleted text message will visual here and it will available within 40 days. You can easily recover text messages from your iPhone within 14 days from the date of deletion. Simply restore it, recover 4 messages, choose all of the messages will successfully recover on your iPhone. That's all.